This is Unit 2, Exponents and Radicals. We're studying here for our Semester 1 final. This first question is about simplifying expressions with exponents. And so I think the thing to keep in mind, just a very brief, quick review here, is that something like multiplication, let's say 3 times 4, or you could write that as 3 times 4, you could write it as 3 times 4, however you decide to write it. Multiplication is repeated addition. And so 3 times 4 could be written as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 3 times, or 4 3 times, 4 plus 4 plus 4. And so, again, multiplication, repeated addition. But when you have exponents, that's repeated multiplication. So 3 to the 4th power, or 3 raised to the 4th power. We say raised because of how we write it there. That's repeated multiplication. And so this is not 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And there I have 3 written 4 times. This in fact would be equal to 81. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. But let's say we had 3 to the 5th power. 3 to the 5th power, we just add on another 3 here. These 3 right here, I could write that as 3 to the 3rd power. And these 2 right here, I could write that as 3 squared. And I haven't changed anything. 3 to the 3rd power and 3 to the 2nd power. That's what you've got there. And so ultimately, that kind of leads to what the rule is here, that if you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. This 3 plus this 2 is this 5. And so we might write the rule as, let's say, x to the m power times x to the n power is equal to x to the m plus n power. You're multiplying like bases, you add the exponents. The other thing is if you have a power of a power, like let's say I had 2 to the 2nd power, and I raised that to the 3rd power. Well, this exponent 3 refers to what's ever in the parentheses. And so I'm taking what's in the parentheses, which is 2 squared, and I'm multiplying it by itself 3 times. So that's 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared. And then if I wanted to, I could break each of those 2 squareds down. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then another 2 times 2. And there, if I just count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have multiplied 2 out 6 times. And so that kind of, again, leads to our rule that if you multiply a power of a power, in that case, you multiply the power. So 2 times 3, 6. And we're going to use these rules that we just discussed to solve this problem. The first thing we'll do is take care of this part right here. Z to the 2nd power raised to the 3rd power. Again, we multiply the powers. And so that would give us this z to the 4th is just that first one. And then z to the 2nd power raised to the 3rd power, again, as we discussed, is z to the 6th power. And now we're back to the rule of when you multiply like bases, we add the exponents. And so this would give us, as our final answer, z to the 4 plus 6, or z to the 10th power. There you have it. Study hard, work hard, practice. If you have any questions, please ask. You got this.